to make a cue card for this gentleman because there's so much to remember about this man. You know, even with Kyani and Nitro, I can't remember it all. So I had the pleasure of seeing him yesterday, completely impressed, and the reason why we are all here and why people are able to rank up and so on is because there's a product behind the scenes that is obviously impacting people's lives and is giving people hope. If it wasn't for the product, we wouldn't have anything to be here for. So this next gentleman has a passion to help people improve their health naturally. He holds medical, chiropractic, and oriental medicine degrees. There are literally too many certificates to mention. He has basically speaking engagements worldwide for the World Health Organization and numerous hospitals. He is an author, actually, of a book called Nitric Oxide, A Molecule of Life. And he's actually a certified yoga teacher. And I think you guys all know who I am talking about. And so stand up and put your hands together for Dr. Abbas Kitab.
It's fun to be here, and I actually know Toronto very well because I used to have some businesses a couple of years ago, and it's a beautiful city. It's, you know, they say it's like a small New York, but it's cleaner, and I think it's New York smells. Okay. Now I'm going to simplify the concept of that, because I think most of the talks when you're here, and some of the people are new to this business in a sense, they need to understand, you know, in this industry, and I'm not an authority, neither I've never done MLM or this type of business, but one thing you have to be clear, and I tried to give this concept last night with a leadership meeting, that the nutrition industry, the supplement sales exceed, it's like $1.3 trillion now. Some of the nutritional companies are bigger than pharmaceutical companies, because I work in both industries, from pharmaceutical industry to the nutritional industry, so I know the numbers. This gives you an idea that technically, suppose even Kyani, we are growing so fast, but we are not even 0.1% what the consumer is looking for. So there is a huge potential for each one of us who is here, who's looking to get into this. Two ways you're looking at it. One is to go in as a business, become diamond, double diamond, red diamonds and all that, which is fantastic. But also keep in mind, there's a massive population out there. People are looking to buy supplements, people are looking to prevent their sickness, people are looking for natural alternatives. And that is even bigger than you guys imagine. So that is something when you're going out as a distributor, or if you're becoming part of the business, keep in mind, you got to always keep in mind, there's a customer who's just looking for a good fish oil, who's just looking for something to increase nitric oxide, who's just looking for a daily multivitamin which can serve their needs, and there are people who are looking for business opportunity. So don't separate that market, it's all there. So that I think you need to keep in mind. I just wanted to start that way so people get a clear. Massive industry, massive industry. And I have designed products for, you name the company from GNC to Costco, anything. I've designed and my name has been there. Basically, I've never created a product which hasn't done 100 million. So some are done in billions now. And Kyani is one of those companies too. People can Google everything. So I just want to say, in Kyani also, one of the things which we did when they initially, I was there right from the beginning. So, the Hanson's family, they were smart people. When they hired Michael Bashir, Michael Bashir hired me, and we said, we need to build this business. There's the owners have finances, financially they are strong. So we need to create a model which will do well. And that's where the concept of triangle of health, which I designed technically, and I put together, they had sunrise, but I redid everything, even the sunset is redone, because I needed to meet the needs of the people. So what we have is now unique, and it has all the things. So why do we need supplements? Technically, when you look at Triangle of Health, it's a supplementation, right? It's a supplement. You got a daily essential with all the minerals, antioxidants. Then you got basically essential fatty acids, omega-3 with a unique vitamin E. And then you got something nitric oxide. So let's cover some of these concepts in a simple way. Signs of nutritional deficiencies. The reality is the food which we eat does not contain what we should be getting to maintain health. This is just a fact. And I gave an analogy last night that people who are in North America, they think we have better food than if you are in China. And I said scientific studies show Chinese soil, anything which grows in China is much more enriched with minerals than what we have in North America. It becomes shocking, but these are scientific facts. So, people living in this part of the world, or most of the world, the nutritional deficiencies are getting bigger and bigger. That is why you see that even in plants. Plants have issues, fungus growing, all these species, and they are trying to create all these chemical fertilizers and all that. Next generation, try to fight that. The problem is what you get in return is something which is not healthy. So let's start looking into a little bit details. As a physician, you know, beside what I do as a consulting and all that, but I still have an active practice. When I see patients. So one of the reasons I wanted to show some of these slides was because it's not everybody you will meet who is looking to make a career as a business, as a networker. There will be people who are looking for the right vitamin, because when you go to GNC, when you go to a vitamin shop, you go to your pharmacy, health food stores, thousands of items are out there. So people are confused. So that's where your little education can help them. Imagine people with dark circles or bags under their eyes, allergies, food intolerances. These are the people who have deficiencies. Vitamin A, with the vitamin A in the poor night vision. Ruptured blood vessels, people when they don't sleep enough. If they have basically vitamin C deficiency, they'll get more easily bloodshot eyes than the rest of the people. Nearsightedness, vitamin D connection, pale lower eyelids. So some of these things that people complain to you, or when they talk to you, you can tell them, you know, this is a nutritional deficiency and I have something unique which you can take. And I'll tell you how to tell them. Bleeding gums, very common condition, right? Basically, that's your vitamin C and folic acid deficiency. And I'll show you why these deficiencies are getting popular. Because even if you are vegan or organic foods and all these things you eat, the foods have tremendously low amount of folic acid and vitamin C than even was a decade ago. Some of these are like 86% is gone. They don't have essential vitamin. So people will start having all these issues. Crowded teeth, calcium, vitamin K. So if you go into the next one, hair loss, big issue. If you look at hair loss, especially for men and women, both are concerned. That's your B2, thiamine, B5, biotin, D, zinc deficiency. So people when they talk about it, you know, I'm worried about my thinning hair or I'm losing hair and all that, you can suggest that I have some suggestion for you which can provide all these vitamins. Dry hair, vitamin A and E, omega-3, proteins, iodine, if you look at dandruff, classical omega-3 deficiency. People are not getting enough essential fatty acids. They're not getting omega-3, 6s and 9s in their diet, oils. They will start having more dandruff. Under stress, it gets worse. So that is what people will be ideal. We have Sunset, which has the right amount based on the studies with omega-3s with the right amount of EPA and DHA, pantenoic acid and all that is the right amount. It meets their needs. So the hair started feeling better. So some of those people coming in with the testimonials over here, what the testimonials are, because the ingredients actually support the body right on cell level to provide the body to function better and have a better hair, better skin tone and all these things. So let's go into more details. Nails. People can look at the nails right now. Spoon shape, white marks, pale nails, brittle nails. People complain, I have patients complain about the brittle nails and all that. That is your basically calcium, magnesium, iodine deficiency. So if people are not eating healthy, they will start basically having these issues. Cuticle tear easily. Some people who have basically they break down easily because the protein is not a healthy protein, amino acids are missing. So you need to get some stuff from if you can't get from the food, you have no choice. And also to stabilize all the cellular structures, every cell in the body, trillions of cells, right? You need the lipids, the right essential fatty acids to make the structure better. So people can look at it, spoon face shaped as a B12 calcium, white marks. You can start seeing patients or clients, you can see that they have white spots. So friends and people go and get all these cuticle, things over the nail put on, but those are a lot of chemicals. They harm them in the long run. So to have healthy nails, especially for women clients, and if you look at in this industry, a lot of leaders, it fascinates me, come on the stage, there are a lot of men. I mean, here there were some women, but there are a lot of men. But the actual buyers of vitamins and all are majority women. Women actually are more prone to more buying natural, organic, these things, than actually men. That's the studies show that. Nothing biased men and women. But these are the studies show that. So those people can easily, you can communicate with them, could be your family members, and especially their baby boomers. I see this in industry, there are a lot of young people, millennials and all that, which is good. But the spending power of baby boomer is unlimited. And they are looking for a solution. Massive market, massive. You can't even imagine what $1 trillion is. The companies, they've got a long way to go just to be in the 1%, long way to go still, just to start. So these are the consumers you need to look into, trying to see if they are interested in buying something which is easy, which is simplified, and which provides the daily essential. Muscles and joints, very common. When you have a magnesium deficiency, if you're traveling under stress, you start having cramps, muscle twitches and all that. That is your magnesium B1, B2, B6 deficiency. Last night people were asking me, how come I have high dose of B12, this and that? I said, it's actually not high dose, because the RDIs or the RDAs and all that, which were set up 50, 60, whatever, 70 years ago, they had no clue at that time what the vitamins were or what their actual each function was. So the amount I have added is what we need. In my own clinical practice, I do 10,000 times more. We use high doses of vitamin A even, B12 10,000 times, 20,000 times, IV vitamin. All these things are done because basically body can need it. So if anybody tells you that what we have in our Sunrise is high dose and all that, that's not true. It's optimal for a daily essential. Can you take it 2 times? Sure you can, because the body needs all this. Twitching, people, sometimes you see facial twitching or muscle start twitching, that's your B deficiencies. That's why one of the reasons when I was formulating the new Sunrise, I wanted to be sure we have all the B vitamins. Now keep in mind, I don't want to go off topic, but one of the things, the Sunrise, when we designed the new one, if you look at not only the superfruits it has all the botanicals from different parts of the world. Putting a formula together which becomes a hit, which everybody likes, that's an art. That I can charge $250,000 for half an hour concept. Because I know if I put together a formula, it has to be a hit because it will be something unique. So Sunrise, actually I put more effort than some of the formulas I've thrown out before. Because I wanted to be sure it's a company which has a mission with the potato bag helping. It's a model which I don't really understand, but it's a model which can pick up a normal person, can make a good living for them. So we need to have something, when they go out in the public, it stands out among all the massive markets. So it has all these. If you look at the berries we have from all over the world, plants, botanicals which have unique ingredients we have from all over the world, and putting them together which they work synergistically, that's an art, because they have different counter effects, synergistic effect, or they can counteract each other. So that takes time. So coming back to edema, swelling, people retain water, that's your B1, B6. Numbness or tingling, big thing right now. People who are baby boomers, that's one of the common symptoms. Numbing and tingling in the feet and all that, the feet, that's your B12 and B5. Clicking of the joints, manganese. And the advantage is all these vitamins have been blended together with the superfruits and in a way with the nitric oxide concept, which I'll explain a little bit more. So the delivery is guaranteed in a sense. Because there are tablets available, there are different juices available. But the concept which we have, that generating nitric oxide and delivering it to the area where it's needed is the key. That's what differentiates us, because ultimately a product is only good if it's bioavailable. Does the body utilize it? Do we have a delivery system? Companies spend millions of dollars on bioavailability concept. They spent all that money, but a concept which we created, the end of production was unique in the industry. Now it's, everybody's talking about it. Mouth, canker sores, B3, B12, folic acid, calcium, cracks in the corner of the mouth. A lot of people complain about it. Weak tooth enamel, people easily break down tooth when they're trying to break something. That all is your, look at vitamin A, vitamin D, K and calcium. And what I did was also with the new Sunrise and Sunset, I separated the water-soluble vitamins from the fat-soluble vitamins. Because vitamins do compete with each other. There's no question about it. So if you separate them, you have a higher chance of bioavailability and body utilizing it at the end of the day. So this was a painful tongue, folic acid, B3, loss of smell or taste, zinc, very common. That's one of the tests even in the medical profession, zinc tally test they use, in which you take a liquid zinc and make people taste it, and you keep on increasing the zinc, 30 milligram, 50 milligram, 60 milligram, 100 milligram, till they are able to feel the taste, and that's where the requirement has been met. So zinc is very important with the loss of smell or taste. Skin, bumps on the arms, vitamin A. Dry or rough skin, vitamin A and E. A and E. And E actually strengthens the collagen, so the skin looks healthier. Same with the essential fatty acid, omega-3s. So we have tried up the omega-3s with the vitamin E. That makes it a very ideal product for keeping the collagen and skin healthy. Unusual nosebleeds. People under stress suddenly start bleeding, right? Or with the dry nose. That's your vitamin C deficiency. So those people, they don't utilize vitamin C. So we have sufficient amount which can be beneficial. During menstruation, acne or PMS, a lot of patients see, even younger girls, PMS symptoms, that's your B6, pyridoxine deficiency. So that's one of the reasons I've added more Bs in the Sunrise. Dermatitis, B2, B3, biotin, red stretch marks shows a zinc deficiency. I'm not keeping an eye on the time, so I hope they'll let me know, but I can talk forever. I haven't prepared you to this one. So I do better when I have nothing to look at. But emotional, mental, depression, dementia, the fastest growing condition which the world will face in the next decade is dementia memory. They will be in 2023 over billion population. And that's the population who has money to spend. They're doing everything. Baby boomers still control the world wealth. No question about it. So they are looking for these things. The only product which has shown in the studies is your omega-3s, fish oil. It's the only one which basically breaks down what they call the LR2 enzyme system, which starts building plaque in your brain. So one of the things you can do is people have a history with the dementia, or people who have a family history with the memory and they're concerned about it, take high dose of Sunset. Why not take 6 capsules? 3 twice a day, 3 with lunch, 3 with dinner. That's my personal opinion. I'm not saying on behalf of what the Kayani says, but it's personal opinion. Those people also need B12, folic acid. Folic acid deficiency is very common, from miscarriages, not conceiving, and all these things, because folic acid is essential for every, the DNA. To keep the integrity of the DNA, which expresses who you are, is based on the folic acid amount of body. The amount of fish oil, we talked about a little earlier, the amount of fish oil, the DHA especially component of that, how much your mother took shows your IQ. If she was not exposed to the fish oil, DHA properly, I'm sure you can get from algae and all the other things vegetarians do, but you'll have a problem with the IQ. It affects it. Insomnia, so common. That's why people, when they take Sunrise and they get on the triangle of health, they start sleeping better, they start feeling better, because we have B3, B5, B6, D3, and the D3 is part of your Sunset. So Sunset does two-way help you to sleep. One is calms down the inflammatory pattern, because if your cortisol is elevated, you're all stressed out, overworked and all that. You got to calm down that inflammation stress level so you can go to sleep. And then the D3 and all that will support also the insomnia pattern sleep. dizziness, iron, B2, B12. The number one cause of preventable child death illnesses resulting from inadequate nutrition. If you look at, and the unfortunate part is, in this part of the world, everybody thinks it's the people dying on third world country. One of the 6 out of 6 children, one of them still sleeps hungry in US. So these are not issues with the nutritional problems, deficiencies and starvation and people hungry issue, diseases are third world disease. This is all over here too. But we pretend it. I've been to parts of US where you can't imagine it's worse than Bangladesh. So the standard of living is so low. And most unfortunately, these people are the ones who don't know enough about nutrition. So we can educate them. We can educate them all. And I talked to even Kayani and that, we are going with the potato pack all over the world. We have a lot of people, we can do it in North America actually. Today, more than 95% of all chronic diseases is caused by food choices, toxic food ingredients, nutritional deficiencies, and lack of physical exercise. There's no doubt the current generation which is born actually will live less than the baby boomers. They're going to live less. The studies show that. The reason is the nutrition what they're putting in their mouth. So if you don't put them on the proper track, you'll have problems in the long run. 95% of the time what people feel is what they ate a week before, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, or the dinner before. How they feel, how much energy they have, how much they slept is what they're putting in their mouth. When I teach physicians, and a lot of people, who follow me on the Facebook, I teach physicians about over 43,000 MDs are trained in this nutritional type concept. And a lot of the doctors, when they come in originally, and the diet is not important, I tell them, don't eat for a month, and then we talk. You can have all your prescriptions you want, just don't eat. The diet is not important. Absolutely, how we function, how we move, how our brain thinks is what we put in, because that's the fuel. You can have the Benz and Mercedes-Benz and the BMW. If you don't have the gasoline, it won't work. So food is your gasoline. So you need to be sure it's the high octane. High octane means that's the right nutrient body needs, and that's why you have to supplement. Nearly all disease can be traced to nutritional deficiencies. Dr. Linus Pauling, brilliant guy, twice Nobel Prize winner, and he figured out, he's the one who developed the concept of vitamin C drips and all, which a lot of the doctors use now. Each year in America, and let's look at another topic. Each year in America, medical doctors infect, there's a little defect, there's 2 million patients in hospitals, which die, 90,000 patients die. Technically what the slide means is, physicians-induced infections kill 90,000 people just in the hospitals alone, in US alone. So there's a more risk of going to the hospital and coming out alive. The 50-50 chance. The reason is this too. Not only you blame the doctors, they're not doing a good job. The reason is also, if you don't have the optimal nutrition and healthy body, you will have not immune system which can handle all the stress. You won't have enough things in the body to deal if you're exposed to infection. So that's part of the reason. If you're healthy, you have a better chance of surviving that. Let's look at the percentage of US population not meeting the RDA. If you look at vitamin E, 86% of the population do not meet the requirements of daily allowance of vitamin E, which is very low, set up by the government. Look at that. Folate, 75%. That's why the miscarriages are there. Magnesium is involved over 600 to 800 cofactors, enzyme systems in the body, from heartbeat to muscle contraction, everything. 73%. So you can look at this, things go on and on. These are the deficiencies found in the blood serum in the people who have, that's why people have problems. Depression, anxiety, ADD, all these patients, all these have problems because they're deficiencies. And nobody's guiding them what to do. Let's look at the depletion of nutrients. Why I said initially, why do we need supplementation? People say, oh, I can eat healthy, I buy from Whole Foods and all that. Doesn't have the nutrient. If you look at the statistics, broccoli, folic acid from 1985 to 2002, these are all your government studies, 62% reduced. Now the new one is saying over 80% is gone. That's why you have all these issues from depression, anxiety. Beans which were high in B6, 77% low. Spinach, high in vitamin C, 65% has decreased. Carrots, magnesium 75%. And each decade they are getting worse and worse because it's almost the soil we have is a man-made soil. You know, it's recirculating. So all the trend of all these, you know, companies, I don't want to blame anybody, but it's basically is to grow as much as you can. It can be a fluff food, doesn't have to be nutrition rich. So you're left with no other choice but to supplement and all these things. Soil, look at the parts per million mineral depletion. From 1910 to 2006, almost hitting to the bottom. So within the next decade or something, you'll have soil which has no nutrition at all. So you just grow something which will looks nice, looks good, but there's nothing in there. So the demand of these supplements, that's why people are looking at the same literature. Consumer is looking at the same, so they're looking to supplement. Mineral depletion in the soil, average mineral content, if you look at 1914 to 1997, how low it is. And these are your standard USA Agriculture Department studies. It's mind-blowing. So what do we do? The question is, you know, when you are using environmental toxin, we talk about all the way the agriculture is done, basically. The problem is all these glycophosphates and all these things which are added into the soil to prevent microbes, because you're looking at how much can you grow in this 1 acreage of land, how much you can grow artificially, because it's all about business. The problem is it doesn't have enough nutrition. So along with these things, when you're taking depleted nutrition, along with the pesticides and all that, when they get into the body, not only the nutritional deficiencies are there, also these chemicals actually destroy your gastrointestinal lining. That's why if you look at 66% people who go to see their physician is going for IBS and some gut issues. Everybody has health issues because the food they are eating is destroying them. So you have to provide them. You need a nitric oxide production to grow the epithelium lining in the gastrointestinal tract. So you can take all the probiotics, but if you don't have the amount of NO production, you'll have a problem. So the last slide, what do we do is, let me show you, let me give you a little concept. I hope I'm running on time for that. Okay, so no worry on that. Let's look that way. The nutritional deficiencies is a fact. Pollution is a fact. So how do you supplement? If you look at the triangle of health, you have a sunrise, which basically has all the water-soluble vitamins, along with the superfruits, because you need these antioxidants for the liver to deal with all the free radical load. Environmental stress, artificial environment, so you need the antioxidants and you need the body to function better. Then what we do is, every time when you take sunrise or you take sunset, you take NitroFX or NitroExtreme. NitroFX and NitroExtreme basically are products which generate nitric oxide in the system. It's called ENOS, endothelial nitric oxide synthesis. So our product contains all these vitamins, think that way, from 72 minerals, 22 superfoods, A, B, C, all the vitamins. But the logic is the delivery, because once you take NitroFX or NitroExtreme, you create vasodilatation. Once you create nitric oxide is a signaling molecule. I had some doctors last night, I was talking to them. Nitric oxide is the most studied molecule in the history of medicine. Over 136,000 papers have been published throughout this decade. Every cell function, what I'm saying, trying to figure out what I'm trying to say, if you don't have enough NO, you won't be able to understand. Just to live, breathe, you need nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, so when you increase that, beside being as a carrier or more, makes it more available for all this nutritional sunrise or sunset, it also independently regulates every cell function, improves communication, whether it's your brain, whether it's your heart, whether it's your lungs. Once you improve the communication, once you increase the circulation, you are able to deliver. And in the evening, you can take sunset, which is your essential fatty acids, omega-3, and you got the vitamin E. Vitamin E is a unique form with the tocotrienols and tocopherols. We have a vitamin E complex backed by all the research. We do have independent studies done on products, we have, but we have to be careful, how we deliver them on the website and all that, because the FDA still wants people to buy prescriptions and all that. And my tragedy is this, the Drugs kill, just in US alone, over 146,000 people die with a script written by their doctor. That's more people by the terrorism and war and all that thing. People are worried about all these things, but it's the script which is killing them. So, these are your consumers who are intelligent and who are looking for something what you can provide. It's a simplified system. You got nitric oxide production, you take a sunrise, and in the evening you can take a sunset to reduce inflammation and provide the essential fatty acid. So what makes it unique? Bioavailability. We can provide antioxidants, all that in one, and deliver them when they need to do. I hope everybody understands. Thank you.
So isn't that incredible information for all of us? So I guess let's give it back to Dr. Kitab. And when you're kind to what you give your body on the inside, it can do amazing things on the outside, and you feel so much better. So, you know, everyone who's not already on the product, I would highly suggest go to the person who brought you here to get a month's worth. Moving along to the next guest.